Today we will learn fundamentals of R programming. I am Dr. Sheena Abraham from Pune Institute of Management Sciences and Entrepreneurship located in Pune city, Maharashtra, India. So when you want to install, first step is installation of R. When you want to install R, you have to go to www.r-project.org. You click on the browser r.project.org, and after going there, you can see there is download R link in the middle of the page. Click, you can see here. Can you see download R? Yes, click on download R option, and now it will show you a CRAN windows, CRAN locations. CRAN is a comprehensive R archive network which is will help you in provide you a mirror of the R studio. Here you can choose your location of which location CRAN you want to use. For example, if I am using Austria CRAN, there is no difference between using any CRAN. You can use any of the CRAN and choose your CRAN image, mirror image. And I clicked on Austria CRAN, and when I clicked on Austria CRAN, here the next window is download and install R. In that window you can see download R for Windows. Click on download R for Windows. When you click on download R for Windows, you can see in the first line this is what you want to install R for the first time. Click on install R for the first time. After clicking on install R for the first time, you can see here download R 4.0.0 for Windows, and click on that. It will start downloading the exe file of R file. First you have to download the exe.r file, and after downloading the exe file, you have to run the exe file, and R program will get installed in your computer. The second step is after installing R, you have to install R Studio. To install R Studio, you have to go to www.rstudio.com. I'll select this link and copy and paste in www. In my Chrome. Here I'll paste Control V, and here when you paste this, here you can see the window is opening. Here you can see download R Studio for desktop. Click on download. Once you click on download, then you can go to download R for Windows. Here you can see download R for Windows. Click on download R Studio for Windows. And now after installing R, you have to install R Studio. And once you install R Studio, you will see a window like this. You will see a window like this. It will open 4 pans. It will open 4 pans. One is the script where you have to write the code first topmost, and the second is the history, and it will show history. It will show environment. It will help you in creating the connection. Here is the console. This is the third window which shows the console where you will be run. You can see either you can write the command directly here, or your commands will get executed here. And here is the files, plot, packages, help, and view. We will learn slowly in our later classes how we will be using this platform for executing our studio.